Checking out the KC Streetcar, experiencing history in Kansas City. Feels great. We're ready to connect Kansas City and hop on the streetcar with my whole staff. Living in Union Hill, which is right by Crown Center, it's such a great amenity for the neighborhood, and to live in this area and experience this, it's going to be great for not only work but also my lifestyle.
I'm at the Union Station and I plan to ride the Kansas City Streetcar today, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited with the music and the people, the food, the atmosphere. It's wonderful. I'm excited.
Just overjoyed. This is just one of the best feelings ever. So it feels really good. Really good.
I'm not nervous. We have been trained fully and I'm very confident and I'm ready to go.
Oh, so super excited. This is what the city needs.
It's great. Can't wait to ride it.
Oh, it's just the connectivity and just it's a great people mover. It'll just encourage a lot of business for a lot of the restaurants and different venues along the route. It's super great for the city.
Look at it. I do.